Hey, Ellie here. This is another weekly recap, so you know the drill, so let's get into this. Starting with what I have been doing this week, and it's been overall productive week. Let's recap from the previous week where I said I had applied for a few jobs around, which I found would be a great fit for me. I actually have applied for another 4 jobs. They seem like a good fit for me. I still haven't heard anything back from the first application. Let's see where that goes. I'm also working on my personal projects, building up my portfolio. I also worked on creating a video on my most recent personal project. If you haven't seen it, I will link it up in the card, which is a process breakdown of the most recent project. Just going a little bit more into detail of the technical process to create product CGIs. Talking about organization, it's been a difficult week, I would say. I got a little bit dragged into my own head. That sort of made me struggle a little bit throughout the week to achieve what I wanted to achieve. And my previous weekly recap has come out late due to that. It's still work in progress, like trying to understand how I can be the most productive. Also how to schedule my week, that I have these breathing rooms just in case something goes wrong or like my mindset is not in the right place. A lot of my time currently goes into my social platforms, and it is quite difficult because I still need time to create my 3D projects because I need to build my portfolio. I need to come up with ideas how to do batch content creation and what will be the best way to do it. Something for, I guess, to-do list for the next week. To start looking into how to be more organized and more proficient so the output is larger. From marketing, as I mentioned, I have been working quite a lot on my social platforms and my social media presence. It has taken a lot of my time, but also last week I mentioned that the goal is to reach out to 10 potential clients. Guess what? I didn't get there. I reached out to 2 people before I start to feel like this is not the right way to reach out. One of them were just sending out a LinkedIn connection, and the profile didn't even have a picture, so I'm not very much hopeful that I will get any response on that. Also reached out to a massive company, like in the websites they have like this box where you can message them with the most generic message. Hey, I really like your company, really like your products, I'm a 3D designer, would love to work with you, here's my online portfolio. Yeah, this is definitely not the best way to reach out, and I'm fully aware of that. That's why I was like, okay, this is definitely not working. This way I'm just gonna waste my time. And I was procrastinating on it quite a lot as well. I will put a little bit on a standby at the moment to reach out to potential clients, and will need to figure out some things before I actually reach out. So in terms of content this week, this week has been quite all over the place, I will be honest. The content that I have consumed mainly was like a background noise. But one very valuable content has been Chris Do masterclass on personal branding. It's an hour-long video. I will leave a link in the description as well. He talks about this concept called shadow words, which is the words or qualities that you don't necessarily like about yourself, and how you can flip it over to create personal branding for yourself. Let's talk about outputs. In terms of social media, I have been quite active. I have put out 3 Instagram posts. I have put out a YouTube video. I also have posted on LinkedIn. And with LinkedIn one, I kind of thought like that was kind of inspirational post that I put out, and I thought maybe with some of the people it will resonate. It was crickets. This is again my impatience that I have to work with, and I understand I probably didn't write it the best way that captures the attention. It's something I have to think about and develop myself, and I know that will happen as I do more only by doing you really get better. I was thinking a lot about the whole writing thing and how actually essential is the writing part, the writing skill. My goal for this week, also something that I need to sort out first before I actually reach out to clients, which is creating my own offer. This will take a lot of research. It will take looking at examples, understand what is my skill set that I can actually combine together and create an offer. Yeah, that's it from me this week. If you find anything valuable in this, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.